Hello everyone, today in this video, I will be giving you my thoughts on Big Bear Mountain, Dollywood's new for 2023 family roller coaster. This is their biggest expansion yet with $25 million laid down for this project, and this is definitely interesting. And I'm going to explain all of that in today's video, but before we get into it, if you want to see more videos like analysis, rankings, reviews, and even updates on Top of the Dragster, this is the place for you. Make sure to subscribe today and turn on the notification bell so that you never ever miss an upload. And I also want to give a shout out to Nathan Molina. They just became a member of my Patreon, and I can't thank you enough for the support. So if you want to support the channel and get shout outs just like this, and want more perks just like as early access and merchandise, make sure to go check out my Patreon. The links will be down in the description below. But with that out of the way, let's get right into the video. On August 5th, 2022, Dollywood on their Facebook put out a live stream announcing their new addition for the 2023 season. This addition, as we'd come to find out, is Big Bear Mountain, a new Vekoma family multi-launch roller coaster that will be located in the Wildwood Grove section of the park, all the way in the back. Well, not in the back of the park, but like all the way in the back section of Wildwood. Okay, you guys get what I mean. And these are my real first thoughts. Whenever I first saw the animation, I was thinking, that's it? That's really it? Now, of course, I knew it was going to be Family Coaster because it was located in Wildwood Grove, so there's no surprises there. But I feel like there could have been more to the ride, especially since Fire Chaser Express is literally like right next to it, which is yet again another family multi-launch roller coaster. So I'm not quite sure what they were doing there, but I'm not a marketing person, so like I have any idea what I'm talking about. But I just feel like they need to add another thrill coaster. It has been, what, like almost 10 years. In a couple of years, it's been 10 years. So that's actually pretty crazy. And the last one was Lightning Rod, which is a pretty cool ride. So I feel like Dollywood would definitely benefit from a thrill coaster, but they are definitely heavily going to benefit from a family coaster. Because Dollywood pretty much attracts all ages, the entire families. All families can come and enjoy. There's something for everyone here. And now there are more rides and coasters for little kids to ride and entire families to enjoy, which is a great thing. I'm not denying it's a bad thing or anything. Big Bear Mountain is definitely a good addition to the park, but it's just kind of underwhelming in my opinion. I feel like more could have definitely been done to this. Now, I will actually get into like the roller coaster itself like right now because I know I keep talking about like how it was kind of a letdown. So let's get right into that. So the roller coaster is being manufactured by Vekoma, and I know that just based off of the trains because those are their family style trains. And it's gonna have orange track with, I forgot what color supports there, but they're right here. And it's going to be a multi-launch roller coaster. So I would say it would be a good fit for the park if, Fire Chaser Express wasn't right there. But you know what? It actually is a good fit for the park. And you know why? Because there are so many families here. Based off my last few visits, a lot of kids come here. And this is perfect. Especially located in Wildwood Grove, you can just go straight from Dragonflyer to Big Bear Mountain, which is amazing. Now, speaking of the name, y'all know me. Great Bear Productions. What do you notice about Big Bear Mountain? Notice anything similar about Great Bear and Big Bear? Yeah. Neither do I. This is definitely an original name that Dollywood made. Totally not a Great Bear ripoff. I'm not mad about that. Yeah, no way. Yeah, anyways. Being serious though, I actually do think the name is alright. I feel like if they took if they took out Mountain and just have Big Bear, I think that would suffice enough, but still would kind of be a dull name. So I get why they put Big Bear Mountain in, because it's kind of on a mountain hill, which I think is actually really cool. I like how this is a terrain coaster and not much of like a flat plot of land like Dragonflyer was on. I like that really much. I also like how there's a lot of theming. So like you have onboard audio, which I think is gonna be really cool, and you have awesome water effects. Like I think there's like this little splash part thing right here, which I think is really fun. Honestly, I think that's where most of the $25 million is going into, is the theming. I know the animation doesn't show any, but I feel like they're gonna add theming even though it's not in the animation, which I'm actually really excited for. So all in all, this is actually a really good addition to the park. I do think they could have done with something different, which I'm kind of mad about. But again, I'm not part of marketing, so I have no idea what I'm talking about. But yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments below, because I'm actually really interested to hear what you guys think on this. Again, if you're new here and like what I post, please consider subscribing to the channel and check out my Patreon. And that's all I got for you guys today, and I will see you all later. Bye!